Hi, my friends, and welcome back. So, I want to do another little grounding practice with you. I've become a big fan of these small grounding practices, and I am refraining from calling it meditation. It's more like tapping into yourself, listening to your body and your body's needs. So basically, pulling yourself back into your body instead of being all the way out here constantly, grabbing hold of all of those external forces that are coming towards us and affecting us every day. I'm just choosing to pull myself in and to ground myself into my body. So this is the focus of all of the grounding practices that I am releasing right now. I hope that you enjoy them. Today we're going to focus a little bit on what's going on in the world today. It's the equinox, the autumn equinox in the northern hemisphere and the spring equinox in the southern hemisphere. So what does this mean? It's a shift of seasons, and as the seasons shift and nature shifts, so is a shift occurring inside of ourselves. So here in Sweden, we are shifting into autumn, and we've been transitioning into autumn for a few weeks right now. You can see it. You can see the leaves now are getting all of these vibrant, beautiful colors. It's a little bit more chilly. Everyone is wearing their autumn/winter jackets right now. So we're going to focus a little bit on the shift that is around us and the shift that comes inside us. So take a moment with me, find a position that feels suitable, comfortable for you. You don't have to sit on the floor. You can sit on your couch, your sofa, in a chair, whatever works for you. You can sit in a half lotus, a butterfly, open legs, legs together, whatever works for you. Even lie down if you feel like that. So take a moment here for yourself and just close your eyes. Tap into what is going on inside of you and try to get out of your head. So with the power of your mind, play with the thought that you're reaching down through your neck, going lower down between those shoulder blades, going even lower down through the spine, your back, for your sit bones. And let's move from the back to the front. Focus. Towards the front. Your tummy, navel, energy out and in through the chest and the heart, moving out through the shoulders, coming back to that neck, and energy out through the top of your head. Now bring your awareness into your heart space. And let's ground it a little bit more with some physical action. So let's put one hand on your heart, whichever you want, doesn't matter. Feel that connection through the palm of your hand, the physical connection that's grounding you into your body even more. Deep breaths into your heart space. Feeling the pulse, your heart beating against the palm of your hand. And at the same time, put your other hand over your stomach. This physical action grounding you into your body. feeling how your tummy is lifting and lowering, opening, compressing. How the chest is lifting and lowering, expanding, compressing. Keep that focus there, keep that awareness there on the motion that is going on inside of your body. That natural motion, that natural movement that you don't need to control. But know that you actually have the power to control it. Whether you're in stress, whether you're in panic, taking this moment for yourself, grounding yourself into your body. And with the power of yourself and your thoughts, bringing some peace. Deep breaths. Inhale. Exhale, release. Inhale. Exhale, let go. Inhale. Exhale, release. Continue breathing just deeply. Find your own natural flow. Keep that focus on the motion of your body. Ask yourself, where is my body today? At what point? Where do I want it to be? Am I living my life's true purpose? Am I being compassionate and kind towards my body and myself? Feel where in your body the shift is occurring. Is there a shift happening? And if not, where do you want it to happen? Do you want to be more in tune with your intuition, listening to your body's needs, listening to your own needs? Do you want to be more in tune with your heart space? Connecting that mind to your heart, to your gut. Learning to tap in to your truest self. Listening, feeling, finding what is deep inside of you. What is your truest desire? What is the energy state that you want to shift into? Take a deep breath, inhale. And let go of those arms. Just place them over your legs. Let's take another deep breath, inhale. Exhale. Last one, inhale. Exhale. Bring your awareness back to the room. Gently open those eyes. Take another deep breath, inhale. Exhale. Let's do it 2 more times and release that energy with a sigh. Inhale. Exhale. Last one. Inhale. And exhale. Now go out. Feel the shift inside of yourself. Feel the shift in the seasons. And be yourself. Dare to be yourself. Live your truth. See you soon.